When you gotta go number 2 on the go, the Tushy Travels got you covered. Hi everyone, it's Carrie, your Tushy enthusiast, and today I'm talking all about the Tushy Travel Bidet and what it is, how it works, and how to use it properly. So let's dive right on in. So what is a Tushy Travel Bidet? It's a portable bidet that you can take anywhere you go, and it washes your butt after you poop. So all bidets are made to wash your butt, but most bidets are attached to your toilet or plumbing. The great thing about the Tushy Travel is it's small, it's portable, and it also effectively washes your butt. And you can take it literally anywhere, whether it's to work, to camping, hiking, traveling, or even to the grocery store, because you might go when you're there. But heck, the possibilities are endless. Before I dive into the Tushy Travel, I do have to cover real quick why we even need to wash our booties, just so we're on the same page. Washing your booty with water is much better for your health and hygiene because fresh water cleans your butt way better than toilet paper does, and without any irritation. You don't shower with dry towel, do you? No, you use water. Why are you treating your booty any differently? And also there's other benefits of washing that include saving money, and it's just way better for the environment. Let me ask you a question. What's the price of confidence and knowing that your booty is clean, there's no smell, and there's no residue left behind, and there's no skid marks? Trick question, because that's priceless. For a lot of us bidet users, we despise using public restrooms or any restrooms without a bidet. So this is your perfect solution for pooping on the go. And if you don't already use bidets, the Tushy Travel is a great introduction to using bidets, and anytime you don't have access to toilet paper. Remember the great toilet paper shortage of 2020? This is perfect when you're going to work, or even if you're caught with a rumbly tummy on an errand run. My stomach often surprises me with very urgent matters, so this is why I never leave the house without it. I've taken it on road trips and hiking and camping all throughout Colorado, and it's made pooping in the woods a little bit less shameful. This is an item just like your phone, wallet, or keys. I'd never leave my house without it anymore. Enough chatting about the what and why, it's time to show it to you. So the Tushy Travel comes in 4 different colors. You can get pink, black, this turquoise color, or white. And whenever you get it in the mail, it comes in this cute little box that you can make sure to recycle. And you have your Tushy Travel with the handy dandy carabiner, and it comes with a little pouch that you can store it in. See how tiny it is? Hand for size. It's smaller than my hand, and I got pretty small hands. So here are the different parts of the Tushy Travel. You have your lid, and what's special about the lid is that it has this special nozzle that gives you the perfect stream to wash your butt. Now onto the proper way to use it. So the Tushy Travel is collapsible, so you wanna make sure to pull it all the way out so it can hold more liquid. You wanna fill it up with water before you go into the restroom, and this is even more important if you're in a public restroom so that you actually have your full Tushy ready for you in the stall. And if you are worried about what people are gonna think, they have no idea. You're filling up a portable butt shower. It looks like a cool water bottle, and who cares what they think anyway? They probably have a dirty booty. And if they do know what it is, then they know what's up. All right, so I'm gonna first fill my bottle with water. And again, you can choose your temperature since you get to fill it up. All right, screw the cap back on. If your nozzle isn't flipped out, flip it out. You're ready for the next step, which is to squeeze the bottle and to wash your butt. So I do wanna cover hand position on the bottle real quick. You wanna wrap your hand around the entire bottle to cover as much surface area as possible so that you can have the best squeeze and the best pressure when you're washing your booty. Now I'm gonna demonstrate this squeeze, and check out this water pressure. So your butt will likely be somewhere around here. So it's a really great stream, targeted high pressure stream that is washing your booty. Whew. All right, so I just showed you the first squeeze, and there's a trick to getting great pressure every single time. So usually the first squeeze uses a portion of the water, and now the way to get pressure, great pressure every time, is not to try to squeeze further once you've squeezed all that you can. It's to let that bottle fill back up with air so that the air combined with the water can allow you to have great pressure. So even though this bottle is like half empty, watch this pressure here. And this is because we let the bottle fill up with air. So remember to do that in between each squeeze. So I feel that the pressure's getting lighter. I'm gonna turn it back around, let it fill up with air again, and watch this stream again. Boom, high pressure. Perfect for washing your butt. And you can pretty much use this method all the way through until the bottle is empty. It feels like there's like maybe this much in there, but I can still get good pressure out of it. Watch. Boom. So an entire bottle of water actually is a lot of water to wash your butt. Ooh, there it goes. And that was the last of it. With that method, you'll be surprised at how much water this little bottle has for your booty. So when you're done, make sure to dump the water out. I didn't have any water left. And then I always make sure to rinse off the nozzle a little bit, just in case there was some splashback. When it's empty, collapse the bottle back, twist on the cap, put on the nozzle, and then you can put it back into your pouch like so. And if you do want to also use a carabiner and attach it to something, you can just like leave it hanging out. Clip it to your backpack, clip it to your travel bag, clip it to anything that you want. You may be wondering, will one bottle of water in a Tushy Travel be enough? In our experience, yes. And sometimes I've even gotten 2 washes out of this. When you saw the stream earlier, you saw that it utilizes every little bit of this water. And when it comes out of this special nozzle, not that much comes out at a time because it's in this really targeted stream. So don't worry, 1 bottle is usually plenty of water. And I do want to note that since you're manually aiming the Tushy and the stream of water at your butt, it may take a little bit of practice. And so what I recommend is before you use your Tushy Travel for the first time on a real poop, that you practice at least once at home. The Tushy Travel is seriously one of my most favorite travel items. Like I said, I take it everywhere. It's so easy, convenient, and effective to use. And so if you enjoyed this video today, all about the Tushy Travel, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel because every single week we post videos on all Tushy products, butts, guts, poop health, and bathroom sustainability. And if you're interested in getting your very own Tushy Travel, head over to hellotushy.com/vlog and you can check out some of our other bidets as well. And we would also love to invite you to our community hosted on Facebook groups. It's called the Tushy Movement, Gut Feelings, Bidet Life, and Butt Stuff. And this is a collection of people from all around the world coming together to share our questions and experiences using bidets, Tushy products, and all things around gut health, butt health, poop health, and bathroom sustainability. Well, that's it for today. Happy pooping!